Some of the haul from Sunday. After soaking them in the vinegar for probably about 14 hours, they cleaned up pretty decent. I haven't tumbled them or cut any of them open. That's a real pretty one. And this one is the, hopefully you guys can see this, it's got the milky white and then a quartz to it. There's the milky white. And then you can see like the quartz and stuff over here. I thought that one was pretty cool too. Cleaned up pretty decent. Got a little bit wetter so you can see the colors in there. I'm sure this one will either fall apart or, maybe it'll tumble up pretty nice. All right, there it goes. It focused. All right, this one actually pretty decent colors on it. It's got the rust in it. It's got the white. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, like I said, until I tumble them, I won't find out what exactly they're going to look like. There, finally, back in focus. There's another agate. I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, it's got little divots all around it, but I mean, I'm sure this one will polish up really nice. This one's going to look very pretty. Because if I'm not mistaken, if you look right down in there, come on, focus. It looks like it has a little bit of jasper stuck in it. But I really can't tell. But I mean, it's pretty agate. And this one is a nice rock. It's got jasper in it. I'm assuming that's jasper, but from what I'm understanding, that's what it. But colors in it are really nice. The camera doesn't really do it that much justice, but it's good looking. I like it. Come on, focus. There we go. All right, and here we go with this one. Like I said, the colors in it on this camera just doesn't do it justice, but I mean, you can see the green in it. That is cool. Right, focus. There we go. But you could definitely see the green in it. In different colors. But now I'm going to show you the rock that I really like, and it's the biggest one that I've seen so far of the day yesterday. And here it be. Isn't that the prettiest green rock that you have ever seen? I mean, cleaning it up just by soaking in vinegar and scrubbing it pretty good. I mean, I got all the stuff off there. A couple of pieces up here and right there flaked off when I was scrubbing it, but I mean, other than that, focus. Okay, there we go. I think it's a good looking one. Let me know what y'all think. All right, well, that's the haul that I cleaned up so far. Remember, stay tuned to BIGGIN'S Catfish and Adventures. Make every day an adventure. And hit that like and subscribe notification for the next video that it comes up.